Just doing a quick review for you on this surface mount track for these surface mount plugs that I put in. This stuff was super easy to use. I'll just give you a quick demo and show you. I mean, it slides apart really easy. All I did here on my wall is I mounted my plugs there and then just cut these to length, and then I actually just ran a couple of screws into the track itself in between it to keep them mounted, and then pulled my wire through to all the boxes. You can see I did, a couple of them there. So just simply pull the wire through from one box to the other, had screws in them, and then you just go and snap this back on. You can put it back on a couple ways. I mean, one, you can kind of get it started on the end and slide it. You can get it angled in there and just kind of snap it in place. As you can see, it just sits over it and has like a lip where it locks on there. So it's really easy to use. There you go, check it out. So even if you go just all the way and just over the cover, just snap it together. So like I said, it's really easy to use, super easy to mount, and I feel pretty secure about it and happy with it. So, I mean, if you're looking for this kind of track or putting in these type of flush mount plugs, this is definitely the way to go.